Predicting market trends has become much more accessible thanks to tools like Google Trends, which allows you to analyze the frequency and patterns of search queries to spot emerging trends, track consumer interests, and forecast potential market shifts. Google Trends is a free and easy-to-use tool that shows how often specific terms are searched for on Google across different regions and timeframes, giving you valuable insights into what people are interested in and how these interests are changing. One of the easiest ways to predict market trends is by identifying emerging topics or products that are gaining search interest. For example, if you notice a significant increase in searches for sustainable fashion, it could indicate a growing consumer interest in eco-friendly clothing and present a new market opportunity. Another key feature of Google Trends is that it helps you spot seasonal patterns. Many products experience increased demand during specific times of the year, and understanding these seasonal trends can help businesses prepare for these changes in advance. For instance, searches for winter coats tend to rise every fall and early winter, making it easier to plan for inventory needs or marketing campaigns targeting that time of year. Google Trends also provides geographic data, allowing you to compare search interest across different regions. This is particularly useful for businesses looking to expand into new markets or tailor their offerings to specific locations. For example, if you're launching a new restaurant concept, Google Trends can help you identify the best locations based on local demand for similar types of food or experiences. Google Trends can also help you monitor your competitors. By comparing search interest in your brand to that of competitors, you can gauge how well you're performing in the market. If you notice a decline in your brand's search interest while competitors are seeing a rise, it might signal the need for a change in your strategy, whether it's marketing, product development, or customer engagement. Beyond just monitoring competitors, Google Trends can also help forecast consumer behavior. By analyzing search patterns, you can predict what consumers might be interested in next. For example, if you notice an increase in searches for best smartphones 2025, this could indicate that consumers are beginning to research upcoming smartphone models, suggesting an increase in sales or interest in that category. To get even better results, combine Google Trends data with other sources like sales data, social media insights, or economic indicators. By integrating Google Trends with other tools, businesses can get a more accurate and comprehensive view of market dynamics, which can help guide business decisions. For example, if you see a surge in searches for organic food along with increased sales figures for organic products, it strengthens the case that the demand for organic goods is increasing, making it a valuable market trend to capitalize on. To get started using Google Trends effectively, begin by accessing the tool and entering a relevant search term. You can adjust the time frame to see long-term trends or focus on a specific period of interest. You can also narrow your search by selecting regions, categories, and subcategories to get more precise data. Once you have your results, you can analyze the graphs and trends, compare multiple search terms, and even explore related queries that are rising in popularity. This can help you discover new opportunities you may not have been aware of. Regularly checking Google Trends can keep you updated on new and emerging trends, allowing you to adjust your strategies in real time. In conclusion, Google Trends is a powerful tool for anyone looking to predict market trends, offering insights into consumer behavior, helping identify emerging opportunities, and supporting strategic decisions that can give you a competitive